Steve Pitbull here, late night at the shop, chilling like Bob Dylan. I'm not a villain. Alright, I'm not a rapper. LL is hard as hell, so look at this place. It's finally come to mind that I have too much stuff. And it's getting out of hand. Way out of hand. You know, I got this new building thing I'm working with, and you know, in preparation for that, I've been stockpiling and just finding stuff. So what's happened is, we all know I sell on eBay. And no, I don't sell Percocets. I know all you morons with your stupid jokes over a video I did 5-10 years ago about some dumbass high on pills in my shop. And that's all you want to talk about are perks, Oxy, Vicodin, what is it, fentanyl now, right? Don't you guys do fentanyl? Is that it? Anyway, look, say no to drugs. Drugs are bad. End of story. Just don't do drugs. There's only one way to fly. That's clean. So in the meantime, what's happened here is this used to be a huge backyard back here, right? Well, they went and built behind me. That's right. This huge high-rise. So they built all around me. I no longer fit in the neighborhood because I'm a mechanic, you know. So they got this high-rise behind me. They're taking down the projects in front of me. All the people there moved into here. Ticket right across the street. And I'm in the middle of it. So I'm looking at all of what I have, and I'm saying, you know what? I got a clean house. So Max is up here selling everything on eBay. If you are into machining, tooling, or anything like that, look at my eBay. Find some of this stuff. The other day, I mean, look, the world's going to hell in a handbasket between China and everything else. All of this cool old school stuff is just going in trash, essentially. So I'm here to save it. That's right, I'm on a mission. I hate to see this stuff go down the pike. So I've been buying it up. I'm selling it up. I'm trying to make cabin fever this year. If you get a minute and you're into this stuff, Google up cabin fever in Lebanon Valley, PA. I think it's 17th, 18th, 19th. If you're into this stuff, you're going to dig it. It's insane. Back here is the parts area now. The race cars got moved and all of that kind of work is out now because I don't have any space. So with that being said, what are you doing, dog? Dog. Stupid. Really? What a good dog. What a good dog. Anyway, race car will see the track this year. Yep, that's right. It will see the track. This is a for sale car, if anybody's interested. That's probably going to be a for sale car. You know what?